Hello, Doc. This is for you. To the creative and very passionate individual that I know, I have witnessed how you bring colors to our institution. Greetings for you. Happy birthday, Doc. Wish you all the best there. Agyaman at kinyam. Mag-iingat po palagi and God bless you.
Hello, Dr. Yari. Happy birthday. Hoping all your birthday wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Doc. I wish you good health and beauty.
Hi Doc, Yari, Andaya. Happy birthday. Always be a blessing to others and always be yourself. Alam ko marami nagmamahal sa'yo and nandito lang kami always. Wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Doc, happy 47th birthday and wish you all the best in life and sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal para marami ka pang estudyante na matulungan at ma-inspire na mag-aral.
Happiest birthday to our multi-talented, very accommodating, and very helpful din talaga na Students Affairs Officer, Doc Yari. Happiest birthday po. Thank you for always guiding us and making us laugh sa work. Diba? Enjoy ang everyday pag meron ka talaga, Doc. Puro laugh trip. Thank you sa pagtanggal din ng stress namin and hopefully you can celebrate your day to the fullest and may have more birthdays to celebrate po, Doc.
Hello, Doc! I just want to say that being one of your students is such a blessing, and I will always remember your valuable lessons. I have nothing but gratitude for you, and I want to thank you for everything you've done for me. You truly are as committed as you are wonderful, and your impact on your students' lives is extraordinary. May God continue to bless you and fulfill all your wishes, and may you celebrate many more birthdays in your life as you continue spreading the amazing wisdom in you. On this special day in your life, I wish you a happy birthday and happy Teacher's Day, Doc. I love you, Doc!
On this special day, I wish you a life filled with boundless happiness, endless success, and a heart full of love. Happy birthday, Doc. I love you.
Good morning, Doc. Pasensya, Doc. Yun nga, ika nga, save for the last. And I want you to greet you your special day. Happy birthday, Doc. And I want you to enjoy your day. Be blessed. And more birthdays to come. More blessings to come to you. And be happy always, Doc. Enjoy your day by day, and yeah. Even though I am a 4th year student, graduating na ako, handa ka maliplipatan, Doc. Haka maliplipatan, Doc. Dakalatan yung puso eh. And thank you ti pamagbagami namin. I love you, Doc. And bless you.
A blessed happy birthday, Doc Yari. Thank you for being a teacher, advisor, and a mentor. Thank you for all those learnings. And sana, i-bless ka pa ni Lord. And enjoy your day. Sana maging happy ka and blessed ang araw mo ngayon. Agbyag Kabagis, Senior Advisor.
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na you are loved, blessed, and highly favored. Wish ko naman, Doc, is sana good health para mas marami ka pang maturuan at mapasayang mga tao. God bless, Doc. Happy birthday po ulit.
Good day, Doc Yari. Happy birthday. May you always be filled with joy, love, and blessings in pursuing your goals in your advocacies throughout your career and life. May all your dreams, hopes, and wishes come true. May you be gifted with life, biggest joys, and never-ending bliss. Enjoy your special day. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Count your age by friends, not years. Again, happy birthday.
Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday nga pala kay Doc Yari Andaya. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong sa amin, Doc. Love you. Peace out.
Wishing a very happy birthday to Doc Yari Andaya. Your role as our publication advisor, friend, and mentor is truly invaluable. May your day be filled with joy and may the year ahead filled with continued success and inspiration. Happy birthday, Doc Yari.
Hi, Doc. I would like to take this opportunity to greet you a happy birthday. Thank you for being the best and great teacher to us. Have a good day and God bless you always. I love you, Doc.
Happy birthday to the most extraordinary person, Doc Yari Andaya. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, more blessings to come, and sana marami ka pang matulungan at mapasaya na tao, Doc. May this year be as incredible as you are, Doc. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Doc Yari. May this year be filled with joy, love, and success. Enjoy your special day and all best for the year ahead. Happy birthday ulit, Doc.
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday sa iyo, Doc. Mag-ingat ka palagi, Doc. And thank you for helping us, lalo na sa mga pag-aaral namin, Doc. Maraming salamat sa iyo and ingat ka palagi, Doc. God bless you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Enjoy your life and ingat always.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Enjoy your life. Yeah!
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the inspirational message that you given to us. God bless you. I love you, Doc.
Good evening, Doc. Wishing you a happy and blessed birthday to my favorite teacher ever. May your birthday will be full of prosperity and happiness. Long live, Doc. I love you, Doc. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. And nothing more, nothing less. God bless.
Hello, Doc. Wishing you a happy birthday with love and respect. Thank you for the efforts and assistance in our school, and especially the advices that helped me to become a better person and as a student. Wishing you good health, more years and blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Enjoy your day, sir. God bless. Cheers to another year.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe every day. Stay humble and have a good health.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Wishing you a good health, love, and a peaceful life. Enjoy your birthday. Cheers for another year.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Today is your special day and sana po mapuno ang iyong puso ng pagmamahal and mga blessings. So marami po kaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Enjoy mo lang po yung araw na to. Happy birthday, Doc, and I love you.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day and God bless you.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So, yun na nga mga kaibigan, birthday nga po pala ni Doc Yari Andaya. So, happy birthday nga po pala sa nanay namin sa school, si Doc Yari Andaya. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa iyo kasi di mo kami pinapabayaan, Doc. At saka, huwag mong pababayaan sarili mo, stay healthy and more birthdays to kami lang po, Doc. Bye-bye!
Doc, happy birthday. Thank you ti amin. Agyaman nak ta natulungan nak, especially ti pinagadal ko. Doc, ti may bagak lang kanyam. Agingat ka ka na yun. Ada kami lang dito yung mga suporta kanyam. Wish you all the best, Doc. I love you.
Hello kay Doc Yari Andaya. Happy birthday sa iyo, Doc. I love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you.
Yo, happy birthday to Doc Yari. God bless, sir. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
morning, Doc. Happy birthday. I want the LSM nga may bagak nga ma-enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Doc, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and maraming salamat Doc kasi ikaw yung laging nandyan para sa amin. And sa tuwing umaga Doc, ikaw yung laging nagpapasaya sa amin. And yun Doc, happy birthday Doc. And I love you so much Doc.
Happy birthday po, Beng. And I wish you all the best. I love you po.
Happy birthday to my favorite teacher, Doc Yari Andaya. I am grateful to you because whatever I ask for your help related to my studies, you didn't refuse to help me. Happy birthday, Doc.
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday. Enjoy this special day, Doc. Hope you have a very happy birthday, Doc. We love you, Doc.
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday and I wish you all the best. Continue helping and sharing your knowledge to others. And take care always. God bless you, Doc. Happy birthday. Hello, Doc. Happy birthday and I wish you all the best. Continue helping and sharing your knowledge to others. And take care always. God bless you, Doc. I love you, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. More blessings to come po. And I wish po na sana po marami pa po kayong matulungang mag-aaral katulad ko. And sana po hindi po magbago po galing nyo. At sana po, wish ko po na sana gabayin po kayo lagi ni Lord. Marami pa po kayong matulungan. Pagpatuloy niya rin po yung pagiging mabait. And once again, happy birthday, Doc. We love you.
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday, Doc. Continue to be an effective instructor. Get the best out of your life. God bless, Doc.
Hi, good evening, Doc. Happy birthday, Doc. Here is to another year of sharing your great wisdom and knowledge with your student. Happy birthday, Doc. My favorite teacher. Love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Wish you all the best and salamat sa mga pagpayo sa amin. God bless you always. I love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Stay safe palagi and wish you all the best. Love ka namin ni Nel.
Happy birthday, Doc. A teacher like you has so many great qualities, but one in particular that I respect the most is your patience. You always have time for your students and you'll never give up on them. You truly are as committed as you are wonderful. I can find the right words to express my appreciation for how much you have contributed to my learning. Thank you for all the knowledge you have imparted to me. Sending you the best happy birthday wishes for the best teacher. Happy birthday, Doc. This is your special day. I hope you are enjoying this day. We love you so much, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and sana lagi kang magturo sa amin ng mabubuting asal. Maraming salamat po sa mga turo nyo sa amin. Thank you po. Love you, Doc.
Happiest birthday, Doc Yari. Thank you for being extraordinary teacher to us. I love you.
Go. Happy birthday, Doc Yari. I love you.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. Thank you po sa pag-guide sa amin dito sa CICUSAT. And we love you po. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day. I love you, Doc.
Doc Yari Andaya. Enjoy your day. And thank you sa mga payo na nakaka-relate sa buhay namin na tinutulungan mo. Salamat sa lahat. Amen.
Happy birthday, Doc. More power and God bless you. We CICUSATians loves you.
Today you deserve the biggest celebration for all joy you bring into the world. There are many precious things in life, but few are special as you, my teacher. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. On your birthday, I want to thank you for all knowledge and advice that you give to us. Happy birthday, Doc. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. We love you so much.
Happy birthday nga pala sa pinakamabait at mentor namin na si Doc Yari Andaya. Happy birthday, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you for always reminding us to love our parents. Thank you for always teaching us. thank you for always be there when we need you. And Doc, I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari Andaya. More blessings to come. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Sana marami ka pang may ituturong mabuti sa paralang Sikosat. Sana marami ka pang matutulungan makapagtapos pag-aaral. Maraming salamat po dahil ikaw naging teacher namin sa understanding. Nagpapasalamat. At sa aming section na kilo. Maraming salamat po, Doc. Sana masaya ka ngayon dahil birthday mo. Enjoy your day. I love you, Doc. More.
Happy birthday, Dr. Yari Andaya. Wish ko lang ay sana ay maturuan mo kami ng mas mabuting asal at magdisiplinahan ng lalo. And enjoy your day, Dr. Yari Andaya. Sana marami ka pang may tuturo sa amin sa Sikosat. And sana mag-iya ka. Joke lang. Sana matulungan mo kami sa aming mga pangarap, Doc Yari. And wala na po akong masabi, Doc. Yun lang, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Doc Yari Andaya. I love you.
Happy birthday, Doc. Thank you for being an extraordinary teacher and for shaping my future. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Doc. God bless and favorite teacher. I love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
Happy birthday, Doc, and God bless to my favorite teacher all of time. I love you, Doc.
Hi, Doc. This is your student from BSHM1.
Hello, Doc. This is your student from BSP Kilo 1.
This is our birthday greetings to you, Doc. Happy birthday, Doc. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello, Doc Yari. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng itulong nyo sa akin. Mula nung naging Vice President Internal ako ng CIASI 61892 Baru Arupa hanggang sa naging Siglot member po ako. Maraming salamat sa mga payo nyo, sa mga pangaral nyo sa akin. Lagi kayo nandyan pag malungkot ako, pag may problema ako. And maraming salamat kasi kayo yung dahilan kung bakit ako nabibuild up sa mga advice niyo po and sa walang sawa na pagsuporta sa akin and sa girlfriend ko. Lagi kayong nandyan, nagbibigay payo sa akin and maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa mga activities nyo tulad ng pag-clean up drive, gano'n. Napakalaking biyaya nyo po sa aming mga kabataan kasi ang dami nyong naitutulong sa amin. Madami kayong advice na napaka-priceless. Yun, Doc. Happy birthday po ulit and ingat lagi. Lagi po natin tandaan na magsuot ng face mask at gumamit ng alcohol para safe lagi. Thank you. Bye-bye.